Hi, I'm Beth Melito, the Executive Director of the NFIB Small Business Legal Center. This month, I'm happy to share some good news on the regulatory front. On February 26, the U.S. Department of Labor and the National Labor Relations Board took major steps to roll back Biden-era employment and labor regulations and largely reinstate worker classification rules promulgated in the first Trump administration. First, the NLRB announced that it was officially returning to a pro-business joint employer standard, replacing the Biden administration's joint employer rule. Joint employment occurs when two or more separate companies are considered to share the essential terms and conditions of employment for a worker, meaning that each company has an employment relationship with the worker. For small businesses that are franchised or use subcontractors, it's important to have a joint employment standard that is easy to understand and doesn't cause additional liability. The second announcement came from the Department of Labor, which proposed a rule clarifying the independent contractor test that will be used to determine whether a worker is an employee or an independent contractor. DOL's proposed rule benefits both employers and independent contractors by offering a flexible test that should minimize the risk of misclassification. You can find more information about both these rules on NFIB's website at nfib.com/legal. And if you have questions, you can always reach out to the Legal Center team directly by emailing us, info@nfib.org. Thanks for listening and for your continued support. For over 25 years, the NFIB Small Business Legal Center has represented small businesses in the nation's courts. We are proud to stand up for small business and will continue to fight for the right to own, operate, and grow their businesses. For legal guides, webinars, and other resources, go to nfib.com/legal. The NFIB Legal Center relies heavily on contributions from donors like you to fund our work. To donate, go to nfib.com/legal and hit the Contribute button. We are a 501c3 organization, and all contributions are tax deductible to the extent allowed by law. Thank you for your support. Your donations make a meaningful difference. For questions on any cases or other Legal Center activity, email us at info@nfib.org.